boxes are taped and the front door key is clean. We sold the old furniture, stripped the whole scene.
This apartment was a chapter now, the final page is turned, a map of all the lessons that we fought for and learned.
Hear the last train whistle blowing down the line. A little nervous tension, but a beautiful sign. We're trading safety for the compass and the open road, leaving nothing behind but the heavy former load. Just you and me and the setting sun. Do you feel the lightness in your hands and in your head? For all the things they told us that we absolutely needed or said.
We couldn't live without the titles and the fame. Now we only answer to our true forgotten name. Hear the last train whistle blowing down the line. A little nervous tension, but a beautiful sign. We're trading safety for the compass and the open road, leaving nothing behind but the heavy former load. Just you and me and the setting sun. Don't look at the rear view, don't miss the easy fight. We chose the uncertainty and the blinding light. The past is a quiet ghost, the future is a road. Hear the last train whistle blowing.
Hear the last train whistle blowing.
Hear the last train whistle blowing.
Hear the last train whistle blowing. Hear the last train whistle blowing. Hear the last train whistle blowing. You're the last train whistle blowing of a train.